sixth item minus fifth item. Now here our fifth item is
25.
25. Okay? Plus 25 plus 0.5 into 36th item minus 25. Okay? Now 25 plus 0.5 into 30 minus 25, that is 5. Now 25 plus...
Once more, sir.
Okay. So I will give the second formula, which is given the first formula in your textbook on the screen. Which is given the textbook on the screen. You can see this is the method number 1. And you should take method number 2. I will give the explanation. So the median equal to n plus 1 by 2th item when n is even. When n is even. Okay. Now n nothing but what? 10 is given. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 2 equal to 5.5. 5.5th item. So now you can write fifth item plus 0.5. Why? Because 0.5, 5.05. So 0.5 into sixth item minus fifth item. Sixth item minus fifth item. Okay. Now in our series, fifth item is 25 plus 0.5 into, in our series, sixth item is 30 minus 25. So 25 plus 0.5 into 5. That is 25 plus 2.5. That is 27.5. Any doubt? The answer is same, which is given in the textbook. Method number 1. I'll explain method number 2 in the same answer. The two answers are very same. Okay. You should take method number 1, which is given in your textbook. Or you should take method number 2, which is explained now. That is method number 2.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now coming to calculation of median in a discrete frequency distribution. In a frequency distribution. Now, in case of discrete frequency distribution, the procedure for determining median is same as that of individual series. Same formula, same use. But here, you should take n equal to capital N because it is the frequency distribution. When the given frequency distribution, you should take capital N. When the given individual series are individual observations, you should take n equal to small n. Now find n by 2, sigma f equal to n, same. So the problem is there, obtain the median for the following frequencies. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. F equal to 8, 10, 11, 16, like so on and so forth. Now you should take cumulative frequency. 8, the first value is 8. The second value 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So 18 plus 11, 29. Like you can prepare cumulative frequency. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Cumulative frequency. Now, here our n equal to sigma f equal to 120. That is 120 by 2th item, that is 60. The cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2 is 65. Now, our 60 value is where it is in cumulative frequency. Here is 8, there is no 65. Here is 18, there is no 65. Here is 29, there is no 65. Here is 45, there is no 60. Here is 65. In that 60 is included. 60 ఉంటుంది చూడండి, 60 దగ్గర 60 ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, కాబట్టి
Yes, sir.
n by 2 is 65 and the value of x is
5.
The cumulative frequency is greater than by 2 is 65 and the value of x corresponding to 65 is 5. So this is the median equal to 5. Median equal to 5. So ఇక్కడ 20 ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 65 వచ్చింది, కాబట్టి median equal ఎంత 5. That is the second procedure. So calculating of median for discrete frequency distribution. Okay. Now coming to here Calculation of median for continuous frequency distribution. See, calculation of median for continuous frequency distribution. In the case of continuous frequency distribution, the following steps are involved to calculate median. Step number 1 is obtain the cumulative frequencies. Now you can construct the cumulative frequencies, which is explained just before example. Now, second, step number 2, locate CF, which is just greater than n by 2, and it is called a median class. Third one is value of median is obtained by the following formula: median equal to L plus n by 2 minus C into H by F, where L is the lower limit of the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, H is the magnitude or width or size of the median class, C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, and n equal to sigma F. Clear? Give the response.
Okay, sir.
Yes?
Yes,
Right.
sir. Yes.
See the problem. See the problem. From the following data, calculate median. Now, class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, like so on and so forth. The last is 45 to 50. Now, corresponding frequency 5 of class interval 0 to 5, 7 of class interval 5 to 10, like so on and so forth. Frequency 1 of class interval 45 to 50. So, this is the problem is there. This distribution is known as continuous frequency distribution. Okay. Now you can prepare cumulative frequencies, which is given on the screen. You can see class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10. You can write frequencies 5, 7, 10. You can write. Now total is n equal to sigma F equal to 120. You can check it whether it is total 120 or not. Now coming to cumulative frequency CF. So here is 5 is there. You can write 5. 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus 18,
18,
that is
40.
40. Right. 40 plus 20, 60.
60.
60 plus 12,
72.
72. Right. 72 plus 8,
80. 80
80
plus
plus
6.
6,
86.
86. 86 plus 4,
plus 4, 90.
4,
90
90.
plus 1,
90 plus 1.
91.
That's clear? Right. So the cumulative frequency sigma is 120. Clear? Right. Now coming to, first of all, you can find the step number 1, obtain the cumulative frequency over. Step number 1 is over. Now locate CF, which is just greater than n by 2, and it is called median class. Now our n equal to what? 120. 120 by 2 means what? 60. Now 60, where in cumulative frequency 60, you can see cumulative frequency low 60 iవ్వండి.
20 frequency.
Here. 60, 120 by 2, that is 120 by 2 is 60. No, not 120. It is
91.
wrong. 91.
Yes,
It is
sir.
wrong. It is printing mistake. Now
Yes,
you can
sir.
check it. Now you can check it to 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 18 plus 20 plus 12 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. This is
91.
not one. This is
91.
not 120.
91, sir.
The printing mistake is there.
91.
That is 91.
91 by 2, 45.5.
1 minute. So here, so this value is not 120. You can write 91. Okay. So here 91 is exactly equal to 91 రావాలి. ఇక్కడ arrow
Yes,
mark
sir.
పెట్టండి, 120 కాదు 91 ఇక్కడ. 91 ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి? arrow mark పెట్టిన 91 రావాలి. So the total cumulative frequency is 91 is exactly equal to the total frequency, which is 91.
45
Okay?
point.
Now, so 91 by 2 means
45.5.
0.5.
45.5, sir.
okay.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి సార్.
అది చేస్తున్నది ఇక్కడ నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది అట్లా చేస్తున్నా 1 minute. ఓకే $45.5 ఉండదు, 12 లో ఉండదు, 22 లో ఉండదు, 40 లో ఉండదు, 60 లో ఉంటుంది చూడండి. జస్ట్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ n/2 అన్నాం మనం స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2 లోపల. సో ది 60 కరస్పాండింగ్ టు I will give here.
20.
So this is marking చేసి చూసిరా మార్కింగ్ చేసిన. సో దిస్ ఈస్ f equal to 20, l equal 20, lower limit 20 of median class. So 20 plus 20 నుంచి 25 is the median class. So now you can second step you can find just greater than n/2 which is median class. So 20 to 25 is the median class. F equal to 20 and CF equal to 40. CF equal to 40 and the width of the class interval, that is h equal to 20 నుంచి 25. 25 minus 20 to 5. That is 5.
Sir, can you repeat it, sir?
Okay. Here, first step is you can construct a cumulative frequency table. That is over. Step number 2, identify just greater than n/2. N equal 91/2. That is 45.5. So 45.5 in the file undadu. There is no question of 45.5. There is no question of 45.5. Here you can see in 60 we should have 45.5. So that the 20 to 25 which is known as median class of this particular problem. Okay. So you can identify median class. How to identify median class? It is just greater than n/2. The CF, it is just greater than, locate CF which is just greater than n/2 and it is called median class. Okay. So 20 to 25 is the median class. 20 is the corresponding frequency. 40 just greater than 20, just greater than n/2. That is 40 the CF. Disturbance gaanivekandi. Please don't disturb. Now 25 to 20, 25 minus 20, that is the width of the class interval. Okay. Now coming to formula. Now here you can see from the above table, the cumulative frequency just greater than 45.5 is 60 and the corresponding class 20 to 25 is the median class. Now median formula L plus n/2 minus C into H by F. L equal to lower limit of the median class 20. F equal to frequency
20.
F equal to frequency of the median class 20. H equal to magnitude or width or size of the median class 25 minus 20 equal to 5. CF cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class 40. So median equal to substitute the formula, substitute the values in the formula.
Sir, how is L equal to 20, sir?
L equal to 20. Lower limit of the median class. We already find the median class 20 to 25 is the median class. Isn't it?
Okay, sir.
In that
Sir,
20
how
is the
CF is 40?
1 minute. In that 20 to 25, in that L equal 20, that means lower limit of the median class. How it is 40. So 60 ki greater than 40, just greater than another. So locate CF, locate CF which is just greater than n/2 another. So n/2 means 45.5, just greater than means that is 60 ki paina unnanta 40. So 40 is known as C equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class 40. Now substitute all these values in the formula and simplify it. 21.375 you should get answer. Simplify it. Just 1 minute to simplify it.
Screen share, sir.
Just
21.375.
Right. That is the answer. So which is given 21.375 is the answer. Now second problem. Calculate the median from the following data. So 410 to 419, 420 to 429. So which is known as discrete frequency distribution. Okay. So this problem first class interval, you should not take first class interval. The second class interval lower limit is 420 minus preceding upper limit 419. 420 minus 419, that is 1 by 2 means 0.5. The 0.5 is the correction factor. You can subtract from lower limit and add to upper limit. So 409.5 to 419.5. Now subtract from lower limit. 420 minus 0.5 means 419.5 to 429 plus 0.5 means 429.5. So you can construct this way. So in statistics, the frequency should always, in statistics, the frequency distribution should always be continuous. But here is given discrete. You can convert into continuous. So similarly, you can calculate. Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
Okay? No. Okay? So you can calculate, do the problem. Answer is 443.94 is the answer. Now coming to merits and demerits of median. Median is not influenced by extreme values because it is positional average. Okay? Median can be calculated in case of distribution with open end intervals. Open means less than 10, greater than 40, like that is known as open end intervals. Median can be located even if the data are incomplete. Median can be located even for qualitative factors such as ability, honesty, etc. Non-measurable characteristics, that should be known as non-measurable characteristics. Cheppam already. Now demerits. Demerits, a slight change in the series may bring drastic change in median value. In case of even number of items or continuous series, median is an estimated value other than any value in the series. It is not suitable for further mathematical treatment except its use in the mean deviation. It does not take into account all the observations. Check your progress. Here is given the problems. See the next page. So this is the discrete frequency distribution. This is continuous frequency distribution. This is discrete frequency distribution. Okay. Now do the problems. 3 problems are exercise. Solve 3 problems. If you are having any doubt, please contact me. Now coming to clear. Yes, please. Anybody response? Use a response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Voice is not clear. Now coming to mode. The third one is mode. Mode is another measure of central tendency. The mode or the modal value is that value in a series of observations or data which occurs with the greatest frequency. That should be known as greatest frequency, which occurs the frequency is maximum or maximum number of times. That should be known as mode. Now find the mode of the following individual series. Coming to how to calculate mode for individual series. See the problem. Example. 9, 9, 10, 11, 11, 11, 12, 14, 14, 17. In this series, 9 is 2 times repeated, 11 is 3 times repeated, 14 is 2 times repeated,
2 times.
10 is 1 time, 12 is 1 time, 17 is 1 time.
17 is 1 time.
So which number is repeated more number of
11.
times or maximum number of times? 11. So this problem, we should have mode equal to 11. Here there is the 10 observations and the observation 11 is the maximum frequency. Therefore, mode is 11 is the mode. Clear? Now
Yes,
coming to
sir.
determination of mode. Yes, please. Any doubt?
No.
No. So determination of mode in discrete frequency distribution. In the case of discrete frequency distribution, mode can be located simply by inspection. Here the variate having maximum frequency will be taken as mode. Now see the problem. So maximum frequency 21, 4, 6, 10, 11, 21, 10, 5. Maximum frequency 21. The corresponding value is x is equal to 18. Therefore, mode is 18 is the mode of the given data. Clear?
Okay.
Here is the problem is there. X values 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Now corresponding frequency x value 10 దగ్గర 4, 12 దగ్గర 6, 14 దగ్గర 10, 16 దగ్గర 11, 18 దగ్గర 21, 20 దగ్గర 10, 22 దగ్గర 5. In frequency, where we should have maximum frequency, that is 21. The 21 corresponding x value anta 18. So that median equal to 18. Clear? Right.
Yes,
Now
sir.
calculation of mode in continuous frequency distribution. If the data are given in class intervals, then the following formula is used to calculate mode. Mode equal to formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 F2 into C. So I will change the formula in simple way. Here is given the formula. I will change the formula. Write down the formula. Mode equal to L plus F minus F1. You should write in this way. F1 minus F1. F minus F1 by 2F minus F1 minus F2 into C. ఈ ఫార్ములాను నేను చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నా, ఇన్ సింపుల్ వేలో రాస్తున్నా. సింపుల్ వే ఏంటి అంటే మోడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎల్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ మైనస్ F1 by 2F minus F1 minus F2 into C. Clear? Now where L equal to lower limit of the model class. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
You should write F, not F1. F, frequency of model class. F1 is the frequency of the class above the model class. Above the model class, not prior, above the model class. F2, frequency of the class below the model class. Below the model class. C is equal to width of the model class. C is equal to width or size of the model class. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You can change the formula by mode equal to L plus F minus F1 by 2F minus F1 minus F2 into C, where L is the lower limit of the model class, F is the frequency of model class, F1 is the frequency of the class above the model class, F2 is the frequency of the class below the model class, C is the width of the model class. You should write in this way because it is very easy to understand. Okay? Now coming to our problem is there. Example. Oh, 10 minutes on. See the class. See the from the following data frequency. From the following data regarding the incomes of 100 families, find out the average income by means of mode. Now you can see up to 1500, 1500 to 2500, 2500 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, like above the 10,000. Okay. All right. Frequency 18, 10, 15, 25, 12, 11, 7, 2. Okay. From the given data, highest frequency is 25, which is denoted by F. Clear? Which is given by F25. F1 above the frequency of the model class 15. F1 equal to 15. You should write F1 equal to 15. F2 is equal to 12. Frequency of the model class below the frequency of the model class F2 equal to 12. Okay. Now 4000 to 5000 is the model class. Okay. From the given data, highest frequency 25, the class corresponding 25 is 4000 to 5000 is called model class. So mode equal to L equal to 4000, lower limit. Now substitute the values, that is 4434.7. Do the problem. Cheyandi.
Sir, can you please repeat it, sir?
1 minute. See the problem. నేను ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాను చేంజ్ చేశానండి, నోటేషన్ చేంజ్ చేసిన అంతే. ఫార్ములా సేమ్, బట్ ఐ చేంజ్ బై నోటేషన్స్ ఇన్ మై కన్వీనియన్స్. ఈజీ కన్వీనియన్స్ కోసం చేంజ్ చేశాను. చూడండి, మోడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎల్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ మైనస్ ఎఫ్1 బై 2f మైనస్ f1 మైనస్ f2 ఇంటూ i ఇంటూ సి. ఓకే. సో ఈ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీలో మ్యాక్సిమం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 25 ద మ్యాక్సిమం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. కాబట్టి దానికి మోడల్ క్లాస్ ఎంత? 4000 to 5000 మోడల్ క్లాస్. సో 25 ఇస్ ద ఎఫ్. పైన ఉన్న ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఏమంటాం? దాని జస్ట్ పైన ఉన్న ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఏమంటాం? f1 అంటాం. దాని కింద ఉన్న ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, జస్ట్ కింద ఉన్న ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఏమంటాం? f2 అంటాం. సో సి ఈక్వల్ టు విత్ ఆఫ్ ది క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్ 4000 to 5000 అంటే దట్ ఈస్ 1000. ఓకే. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ వాల్యూస్
ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి సార్?
మోడ్ అంటే ఏంటిదండి? మాక్సిమం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అన్నాము కదా ఇంతకుముందు. మాక్సిమం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఎంత ఉంది? 25 ఉంది. కాబట్టి 25 తీసుకున్నాం. అది మోడల్ క్లాస్. మరి సపోజ్ ఇంకో కార్డు దగ్గర కూడా 25 ఉంది అనుకో. సపోజ్ 2 ప్లస్ 25 ఎట్లా అంటే, అటువంటి ప్రాబ్లానికి యూ షుడ్ నాట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ మోడ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉపయోగించి మోడ్ కనుక్కోరాదు. ద మ్యాక్సిమం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ రిపీటెడ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ టైమ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, then you can use this formula for calculating mode. If the maximum frequency repeated more than one time, you should not calculate mode by using this formula. ఈ ఫార్ములా అనుకోలేము మనం మోడ్. చెప్తారు అది ఏం ఫార్ములా ఉపయోగించాలో నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లో వస్తుంది, అక్కడ చెప్పేస్తాను. ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. ఓకే. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్. You should get 4434.7 value వస్తుంది. Solve it within 1 minute. Solve చేయండి. So one person is Shyam. Send to me message. Sir, please add me in WhatsApp group, WhatsApp app group 797032457003. I am not admin. Okay, send your number in your group. The group admin persons can add. I am not having any authorities to add in your number in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay,
right.
sir.
Okay, right. ప్రాబ్లం చేశారా, చూసారా ప్రాబ్లం?
అవును సార్.
Okay, now coming to merits and demerits of mode. It is comparatively easy to understand. It is the simplest descriptive measure of average.
Hello sir, I having one
not
query. Query regarding that frequency of in a same problem. If this frequency of the mode will be upper and the first or last, then what we should take F1 and F2?
What is the problem? Once again repeat.
I'm saying that, sir, if it is for example, in the earlier example, which number of families we are talking about, so it's 25 is the number of frequency. Okay, instead of it being in a middle, if it is in a first or in a last, then what we should take as F1 and F2?
Yes, very good question. Suppose here 18 in place of 18 we get 38. So in place of 18 we should get 38 ichina. Suppose the 38 given. So 38 is the maximum frequency. This is known as F. Clear? Now F1 is 10. F1 is 10. But what about F2? Sorry, F2 is 10. What about F1? Okay.
0.
So 0. That means 0. I will give the information about here place. So 29 is there in place of 2. We are having 29. So 29 is the highest frequency. That is the modal class. F equal 29. 7 is F1. But what about F2?
0.
0. Yes, very good question. Very good query you should have. Very thankful to you. Okay. Please ask the question. Doubt? Clear?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Right.
Yeah, it's clear. Thank you.
Right. Now coming to merits and demerits, it is not precisely defined. It is not based on all observations. Why? Because it is not based on all observations. We should take the only for maximum frequency. So above the frequency of maximum frequency, that is F1. Below the frequency of maximum frequency, that is F2. So we are not taking, we are not consider, it is not based upon all the observations. It is not capable of being handled algebraically, as it is not based on the all observations. Okay, the mode does not exist in many cases, while there may be more than one mode other cases. Okay, so these are known as demerits. Now coming to next page. So here we are
time up.
which is given the schedule by university. Come to class without fail. Attend the classes regularly. If you are having any doubts, please contact me. Okay. Tomorrow we will come to class. Okay. Bye. See you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.